Good morning, everyone. How are you all, students of class 3? Once again, I, Mohita Singh, welcome you all in my SST class. Children, as you all know that already we had finished chapter 1, The Earth Our Home. In this video, I am going to discuss with you all objective question answer of chapter 1, The Earth Our Home. Okay, student? So, children, I will start my class with keywords. Okay, we will first learn the keywords of this very chapter. Okay, so first keyword is solar system. What is solar system, children? The sun and the 8 planets form the solar system. Okay, horizon. What is horizon? The point where the earth and the sky seem to meet is called as horizon. Coast. The place where land and sea meet is called as coast. Okay, student? These all are about keywords. Now we will learn things I have learnt. Whatever we have learnt in this chapter, we will revise. Okay? Earth is the home of all living things. Yes, children, Earth is the home of all living things. Okay? Living things like human beings, animals, plants, etc. Okay? It is a part of the solar system. Our Earth is a part of a solar system. Okay. The Earth is like a huge ball. Children, Earth is like a huge ball. A very big ball. Okay. Magellan was the first man to sail round the Earth. Children, Magellan was the first man to sail around the Earth. To move around the Earth. Okay. About 71% of the Earth's surface is water. Children, how much portion of the Earth has water? 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Okay. Now, children, come to the next things I have learnt. This is 6th number. About 29% of the Earth's surface is land. Children, how much portion is land on the Earth's surface? 29% of Earth's surface is land. Okay. The earth is surrounded by air which we call the earth's atmosphere. So what is earth's atmosphere, children? The earth is surrounded by the layer of air which we called earth's atmosphere. Okay. The point where the earth's surface and the sky seem to meet is called as horizon. What is horizon, children? The point where the earth's surface and the sky seem to meet is called horizon, but in reality they never meet. Okay, earth and the sky never meet. Okay, come to the last 9th number. The place where land and sea meet is called coast. What is called coast, children? The place where land and sea meet is called as coast. Okay, now children, come to the objective question. Okay, come to the first objective question. This is A section, children. Come to the A section, everyone. Take the correct answers. Okay. First question is, children, how many planets comprise the solar system? Children, answer will be B, 8. Solar system has 8 planets along with sun. Okay. Now come to the question number 2. Which former planet is now considered as a dwarf planet? Answer will be B, Pluto. Pluto is now considered as a dwarf planet. Okay. Now children, come to question number 3. How much area of the earth's surface is covered with water? Answer will be B, 71%. 71% of earth's surface is covered with water. Okay. Now question number 4. The place where the sky and the earth seem to meet is called as horizon. Where sky and earth seem to meet is called as horizon. Please take on A, horizon. Now come to question number 5. The place where land and sea meet is called as B, coast. Okay, the place where land and sea meet is called as coast. Take on B, everyone. Now children, move to the fill in the blanks B section. Words are given and we have to choose the correct word to fill the blanks. Okay. First fill in the blank is many countries together form a dash. Answer will be continent. Many countries together form a continent. Second is, there are dash planets in the solar system. Answer will be, there are 8 planets in the solar system. Okay. Come to third number question. Earth is dash like a ball. Earth is round like a ball. Okay. Question number 4. Surface of earth has dash water and dash land. Answer will be, children, 71% water and 29% land. Okay. Come to question number 5th of fill in the blanks. Earth's atmosphere extend up to dash kilometer. Answer will be 500 kilometer. Earth's atmosphere extend up to 500 kilometers. Okay. Now children, everyone move to the C section, that is true and false. Okay. First is, we all live on the earth. Answer will be T, true. Okay. We all live on the planet earth. It is a true statement. Right here, true. Now children, move to the question number 2. Pluto is one of the planet of the solar system. Answer will be false. Pluto is now considered as a dwarf planet. It is no more a planet now. Okay. Now there are only 8 planets. Okay. So write here false. In second number you will write false. Third number, Magellan went on a long journey in the 1519. Yes children, it is a true statement. Magellan went on a long journey in the year 1519. True. Fourth question. Astronauts have proved that the earth is not round. Astronauts have proved that the earth is not round. It's a false statement. Later on, astronauts have also proved that the earth is round after Magellan. Okay. So write here false, everyone. Now move to the question number 5th. The earth and the sky appear to meet. The earth and the sky appear to meet. Children, this is a true statement. It appears that they are meeting. Okay, but in reality, they never meet. So please write here true. Okay, but in reality, they never meet. Okay, student? Now children, everyone come to the match the following section. Okay, come to the match the following section. This is your match the following D section. Venus. Venus is a planet. Please match it with E, planet. Magellan. He was a sailor. Please match it with A, sailor. Pluto. Pluto is a dwarf planet. Please match it with B. Fourth number, Earth. Earth is round like a ball. Please match it with C. 5 number, 71% of the Earth's surface. Match it with D, water. 71% of the Earth's surface is water. Okay, children? So, children, that's all for today. We will meet in our next class video with question answer, E section. Till then, children, must take care. Be safe at home. Bye-bye and thank you.